Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to forward emails in Gmail. Why would you want to know how to forward emails in Gmail? Well, maybe it is your first time using Gmail and not sure how to forward emails in Gmail. So today I am going to show you how to forward emails in Gmail. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Forwarding emails in Gmail is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Gmail. Now you are seeing multiple emails. Open any email you want to forward. Now you are seeing three dots in front of email. Click on it. Now click on forward. Now select the email you want to forward with. Then click on send icon. There you go. If you wanted to know how to forward emails in Gmail, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.